Hello, and welcome to our channel where we explore healthy lifestyle habits. Today's topic is all about 5 healthy habits that you can incorporate into your daily routine for a healthier life. 1. Drink more water. Water is essential for our bodies to function properly. Drinking enough water can help flush out toxins, keep your skin looking healthy, and help you feel more energized throughout the day. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. 2. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for our physical and mental health. It helps our bodies recover, repair, and rejuvenate. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night, and create a bedtime routine that allows you to wind down and relax before sleep. 3. Exercise regularly. Exercise is crucial for our physical health and mental well-being. It can help us maintain a healthy weight, reduce stress, and boost our mood. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise per day, such as walking, jogging, or cycling. 4. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present in the moment and paying attention to your thoughts and feelings without judgment. This can help reduce stress, anxiety, and improve overall mental well-being. Incorporate mindfulness into your day by taking a few deep breaths, going for a walk, or meditating for a few minutes. 5. Eat a balanced diet. Eating a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can help nourish your body and keep you feeling full and energized throughout the day. Aim for a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins such as chicken, fish, and beans. So there you have it, 5 healthy habits that you can incorporate into your daily routine for a healthier life. We hope this video has inspired you to make small changes in your lifestyle and take care of your physical and mental health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more healthy food options.